afternoon, ma'am.
Myself, Neenu from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback interview from yourself. First of all,
Yeah.
congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
So, introduce about yourself.
Yeah, sure. I'm Sahana from Tumko. I'm a CAD designer and a quantity surveyor, having an experience of 3 years in Gangadhar Associates and also in Papa Technology in Bangalore. So it's my and my hobbies will be reading, writing, and all.
Yeah, super. So, how did you come to know about CMTI?
Yes, actually, my friend, he's a my friend actually. He referred CMTA. He is a student of CMTA before, and he
Okay.
got placed, and he referred that having a great opportunity. They are providing a career opportunity and all. I'm happy for that, and so I enrolled in CMTA.
So, that was nice. How did you prefer the interior design and quantity survey course?
Okay, because I was trying for quantity surveying because I was working in quantity surveying. To gain a more knowledge, I inquired with the staff, and she preferred to you can take interior also because they are having so much of opportunities. So I took interior with along with that quantity surveying.
You are telling that mentor who has dealt in CMTI has supported you. How was it?
Yeah, it was great, ma'am. It was great, and they helped me so much with the course as well as with the interview also.
Yeah. So, how was the interview preparation by Prayojna Engineering helped out you, and how did they assist you?
Yeah, because they are providing a very great opportunities. Where are the interviews are there? Because the openings will not be directly. We cannot know what are the opportunities are there, but by the same day, they assisted what are the opportunities and how to prepare for that, and what are the courses or questions we have to go through that. So it gives a very good confidence to attend the interview.
Yeah, that was nice. How did you crack the interview? You can tell a few points.
Yeah, sure, actually. And it was a very good experience about the interview. The questions, what are the basic questions, what are we learned through the CMTI, like a cut list or the kitchen uh, plan or layout and all. So it helped me. These are the main few points which helped me to crack up the interview.
So that was nice. How was the staff's coordination in CMTI, as well as how did they help you?
Yeah, seriously, it is a very good uh, question because they helped me a very good way. They supported me in every step, like where is the interview and what are the interviews we have to prepare. And they will provide a great opportunities where are the interviews will be there. When we went for the interview, they provided the assistance, and that is a very good. We cannot neglect that. It's a great experience for me.
So, how much do you like our CMTI app?
Yeah, it's a great app because for the beginners, it is a great app also to look out the practical knowledge and what are the opportunities are there, what are the branches in civil engineering. They had to go through the app and they will get the assistance to which they have to go through, like which they have to opt.
Yeah,
The
that
confusion
was,
will be erased.
yeah. Okay, so would you like to refer Prayojna Engineering and CMTI to your friends?
Yeah, honestly, because I was referred almost to my friends as well as my students also. Like in the previous, I was worked, and they are also willing to take up the course. And in the upcoming, also, I will be referring for the CMTI because it will help for the students as well as the beginners who are searching for the jobs.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for your wonderful feedback. All the best for your career.